Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this Uli toilet lever. So let me show you what's inside the box. This is the universal toilet lever. Mine broke, so I'm going to show you how to install this. So you can see that my toilet lever snapped. So I'm going to change this out with the new Uli lever one. So you loosen the screw, it slides out. Here's my broken old lever, the washer. So here's the position that it's in. It's in the very first hole. Take off the chain. Now here's the new piece. Unscrew it. Put the washer back in. So this is for the square or round. Okay. So the way to install this, you push it through the hole, put your washer in. Then here's the nut. Put that inside. Make sure that it's nice and tight, hand tight, since it's plastic. Grab the chain. And then you put it through your hole. So here's the finished product. So you can see now it flushes good and it works perfect. This is a great buy. Easy to install.